How to use Microsoft Teams for project management. Hey there, and welcome to our guide on using Microsoft Teams for project management. If you're ready to elevate your team collaboration to new heights, you've come to the right place. Microsoft Teams isn't your run-of-the-mill communication tool. It's a powerhouse platform meticulously crafted to streamline project workflows, supercharge productivity, and facilitate seamless collaboration among team members regardless of their locations. Get ready to unlock the full potential of teamwork with Microsoft Teams. In this video, get ready for a deep dive into the world of project management with Microsoft Teams. We're here to guide you through everything you need to know to unlock the full potential of Teams for managing your projects effectively. From organizing tasks and scheduling meetings to seamlessly sharing files and collaborating in real time, we've got you covered. Get ready to embark on a journey of discovery and unlock a whole new world of project management possibilities with Microsoft Teams. Alright, let's get this project rolling by laying down some solid groundwork. Picture this, we're about to dive headfirst into an exciting branding project. We've got a whole bunch of tasks waiting to be tackled. Brand designing, logo design, post design, brand marketing, and campaign planning. Now, to kick things off, we're going to fire up Microsoft Teams and head straight to the Tasks tab. This is where the magic begins. Once we're in the Tasks tab, it's time to start building our project roadmap. We simply click on Add Task and begin filling in the details for each task. We'll jot down a brief description to ensure clarity, set due dates to keep ourselves on track, and assign priority levels to ensure we're focusing on what matters most. This step is absolutely crucial as it sets the solid foundation for our project, laying out all the essential tasks needed to bring our branding vision to life. With each task meticulously outlined, we're fully prepared to dive into the heart of our project and transform our branding dreams into reality. Now that we've got our tasks all lined up, it's time to divvy up the work and set some deadlines. Luckily, Microsoft Teams makes task delegation a piece of cake. We simply click on a task, hit the Assign button, and then select the team member who's going to tackle it. It's that easy. This ensures everyone knows their role in the project and helps promote accountability within the team. With clear assignments and deadlines in place, we're ready to hit the ground running and make some serious progress. As for setting due dates, well, that's where the magic happens. We want to make sure we stay on track with our project timeline, right? So, we select each task and use the handy calendar feature to set clear deadlines. Whether it's a logo design or a marketing campaign plan, having those due dates in place helps us prioritize our work and ensures we're hitting our milestones efficiently. It's all about keeping the momentum going and staying ahead of the game. In Microsoft Teams, setting priorities for tasks helps streamline your workflow and ensure that the most important tasks receive the attention they deserve. Imagine you're juggling multiple projects at once without clear priorities. It can be overwhelming to decide what needs your immediate focus. In Teams, you can set priority levels for tasks, such as urgent, important, medium, or low, to signal their importance. This not only helps you manage your time more effectively, but also communicates to your team what requires immediate action and what can wait. Think of it as having a well-organized to-do list where the most pressing items are highlighted, making it easier to navigate your busy day and keep everyone on the same page. This way, you can ensure critical deadlines are met and nothing crucial falls through the cracks. Prioritizing tasks in Teams brings a sense of clarity and control, transforming a potentially chaotic workload into a manageable and even satisfying challenge. So whether it's designing the brand logo or planning out our marketing strategy, setting priorities keeps us on track and ensures we're tackling our tasks in the right order. Now, let's talk about changing the view. Microsoft Teams offers different views like board or list view, allowing us to visualize our tasks in a way that suits our preferences. The board view provides a more visual representation, similar to a Kanban board, while the list view offers a more structured layout. With all our tasks neatly laid out in front of us, we can easily prioritize our work and ensure that nothing falls through the cracks. Whether it's meeting deadlines or juggling multiple tasks, the schedule feature in Microsoft Teams provides us with the clarity and organization we need to stay on top of our project at all times. Next up, let's dive into the world of charts. These visual representations are like our project's GPS, providing us with invaluable insights into our progress. From tracking task completion rates to milestones reached, charts give us a clear picture of how our project is shaping up. They not only showcase our successes, but also highlight any bottlenecks or areas that may need extra attention. This allows us to pivot our strategy on the fly and stay on course towards our project goals. With charts at our disposal, it's like having a roadmap for success right at our fingertips, guiding us every step of the way with confidence. And last, but certainly not least, let's explore the incredible power of collaboration with Microsoft Teams. Inviting team members to join our project is a breeze. We simply click on the Add Member button within Teams, enter their email addresses, and hit send. It's as simple as that. Once we've sent out the invitations, our team members will receive them promptly. From there, they can accept the invitation and gain instant access to the project, ready to dive in and collaborate with us in real time. With Microsoft Teams, bringing our team together and working towards our project goals has never been easier. When they accept the invitation, they'll instantly gain access to the project workspace and all its resources. From there, they can seamlessly jump into the conversation, contribute ideas, share updates, and collaborate with us in real time. Whether they're across the office or across the globe, Microsoft Teams brings everyone together on one platform, fostering collaboration and driving projects forward efficiently. So, let's invite our team members and embark on this journey of collaboration together. Whether it's brainstorming ideas, sharing updates, or working together on tasks, having everyone on board ensures that we're all on the same page and moving towards our project goals together. It's teamwork at its finest, made easy with Microsoft Teams. In conclusion, Microsoft Teams stands out as a true game changer in the realm of project management. With its comprehensive suite of tools from task assignment and scheduling to progress tracking and collaboration, we have everything at our fingertips to ensure success. By leveraging these features, we can streamline our project workflows, boost productivity, and achieve our goals with unparalleled efficiency. Whether we're diving into a branding project or tackling any other endeavor, Microsoft Teams empowers us to collaborate seamlessly, stay organized, and most importantly, deliver results. So let's harness the power of Teams and elevate our projects to new heights. Thank you to our amazing audience for joining us on this journey through Microsoft Teams for project management. We hope you found this guide helpful and that you're feeling empowered to tackle your own projects with confidence using Teams. Remember, the possibilities are endless when it comes to collaboration and productivity with Microsoft Teams. So, here's to your success, and thank you again for watching.